Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm just going to do this slicked back install using my Erica J glue. I am holding on for the gods. There's a little bit of a struggle, but you'll see. You know I'll be working through everything and I'll be figuring it out. That's just what will be happening on my channel. You want to keep watching if you want some hair details, want to watch how I got this hair. If you want to see where I got this scrunchie from, there will be a link in the description, don't worry. Let's get into how this is a little bit of a struggle. You already know what it is when I come in this robe. I'm gonna slay the fuck out of a wig, so let's get to it. Today's hair is from Westkiss. It's a 34-inch deep curly. I believe it's deep curly. Y'all see how beautiful this is? I let it air dry so it looks like this by itself. I did pluck the hair while it was dry, so the frontal part is like, you know, big, because when you comb curly hair, it get big. So just ignore that portion. It's just because I plucked the wig. Yeah, this is HD lace and it's 13 by 4. Here's the inside cap construction. I'm trying my best to remember to now show you guys the inside cap construction of the wigs because sometimes they look different. This is one that's all the way around 4 inches, except for the middle is like back a little more farther, but all around is pretty much 4 inches. I did do a ball cap tutorial on my OnlyFans. I have updated method. I did not cut this band. So if you want to see how I did that and I keep the back of my hair inside this wig cap, go on and subscribe to my OnlyFans, period. I keep saying I'm not going to do too much hair content on here in depth anymore. I'm transitioning over. I have more content ideas I want to do. Like, I'm doing it for now, but I got goals and visions and plans. Stick with me. I hope you guys fuck with me even when I stop doing this hair as consistently, but fuck with me on my OnlyFans because that's where the detailed hair content is gonna be at. Now, if you wanna know how I got this ball cap, that's already up on my OnlyFans, and I already plucked this wig, this exact wig that I'm gonna put on right now. I plucked it on my OnlyFans. Stop playing, go subscribe. So support your girl. We love supporting small black creators. Support me, you love me. Go ahead and search up my OnlyFans. It's Hair via Jalea. I'll have a link down below for it. I don't know if the link will work though. I think it's like, I don't know, I think YouTube is weird about OnlyFans and like Patreon links. I don't know. I think it's like, I don't know. I don't know how that works, but hopefully the link down there works and that'll be down below. Let's get started with this install. I have about 5 layers of Erica J glue, hold me down adhesive, and I also use her skin guard off camera. Somebody needs to clear off their desk. I have about 5 layers because I'm going on vacation. I need this to be waterproof. No, I'm not vlogging vacation, sorry, but your girl needs a break. I've been in this house cooped up for months. I ain't going nowhere this whole pandemic. I'm finally gonna be one of them people that we be talking about because I can't take it anymore. Let's get this wig laid for vacay. We're just gonna do a little slick back thing, you know, some cute for the girls, some cute for the summertime. And yeah, so now let's get started with this install. Yeah, let's just throw it on. Oh, y'all already know. I'm gonna just cut this off rip because I got these lash extensions and then they falling out like shit. I don't know if I'm just not meant to be a lash extension girl, but I don't know. My lashes is falling out. I don't like sitting there for 3 hours wide awake, laying there. It's just not for me. I got ADHD. I need to move around. Anyway, okay, putting on this wig. Don't fuck up my lashes. My lashes already cut off a little section to give me some space for my lashes. Oh, hold on. I think it has a clip on in the back that's too tight. I'm gonna fix this. Oh no, this bitch still tight a little bit, but we gonna work it out. Don't worry, I'm not scared. Y'all know what I be doing. I be killing shit. Oh no, this wig is very tight. So this is a small wig cap. They did not lie. So they was playing when they said small, they weren't. They said this is a small. Okay, hold on. I gotta adjust this. We're having some technical difficulties. Now it's giving like it's on, but this bitch is gonna be tight. Hold on. So this wig is entirely too small for my head. I didn't think I had a fat ass head, but it's seeming I do now. So it's a good thing we're using this Erica J hold me down because it's gonna hold us down and make it happen because this is just it on my head and you see where everything is at real far back. I'm glad my hair wasn't gigantic. Okay, so what we have to do to rectify this situation is that we have to go from one side to the middle to the other so we can make sure that we can get each side to where it needs to be, because you see how this is right here and this is back here. Yeah, so basically my face is gonna be like, I love a facelift, so it's fine. We're gonna work it out because this is the wig that I got for my vacation, so it has to work. I usually don't do my wig side to side, yeah, but no, I think today's a side to side day. So I'm gonna end up cutting this into 3 sections. And then I'm just gonna glue down this side. I'm gonna do 2 layers of glue and then go ahead and stick it down. Make sure this is fully stuck before I move on to the middle other side that I'm gonna have to tug, make it happen, but we're gonna make it happen. It's gonna be okay. I'm just gonna have a little facelift. So if I look a little excited at the end of the video, like, this is why. Sometimes I'll be a small cap size, and sometimes it's like, I should've got a medium. And I really like this new applicator she has, and this Hold Me Down, because it's like a squeeze tip, and it makes it so easy for application. Actually, I think I'm gonna just do this one because I already have like 5 layers. Give it a little fan, and once it starts drying clear, I don't want this to get too dry because I really need it to stick right now. Like, I really need it to stick. So we just gonna let it get a little translucent and then get to, you know, applying the wig. So I went ahead and just blow dried on warm and then cool, just to set everything and just make sure that the wig is really gonna be in place, because I really feel like I'm gonna have to tug. And it's like I probably shouldn't even try to make this happen for real. I'm gonna have to cut my lace extra long on this side, it's giving, because yeah, this wig is just not fitting. I'm not gonna be able to sell this wig, y'all. If y'all think y'all want this wig cannot get sold, because yeah, I'm struggling. We can go ahead and hit this middle now, and then I'm just gonna cut a lot of extra lace on this side just so I can cover up the fact that, you know, it's a lot of glue that I'm not gonna be able to, you know, yeah, you feel me? Like, I gotta make up somewhere for this situation, so that's what I'm gonna do. I think this is me figuring it out as I go. And then I'm realizing I kind of plucked this kind of weird. I don't know. I guess I'm just having an off time. Maybe this wig should have been more this way. But I don't know. It's giving that this ain't even sticking. This wig is so tight. Oh my gosh, y'all. I think I'm gonna have to cut this frontal away from the wig. It's giving that. I'm gonna try that. Okay, that's all I needed to do. So I just ripped the frontal away from the wig a little bit, and now I'm feeling better. That probably shouldn't have happened like that, but that's how it had to happen. So I think I'm gonna cut this in 2 sections too, just so I can try to make this like really lay, because I really need this to like work. And I'm gonna just glue this small section right here so I can just make sure. Now we're breaking into small subsections because I really need shit to stick at this point. And it made my whole ball cap come up. Like, that's really crazy. I figured this out. So, you know, we love an ingenuitive queen. I just put a hella lace like on my head, so it looked like, you know, so it looked like it's on and it's where it need to be, but truth be told, it's not. So let's just move on to this baby hair. Ooh, I'm sorry for kicking y'all. Yeah, they really tried to take me out with this one. They really tried me, but you know, a bitch like me can't be stopped. Like, that's just what that is. Now is the point where I'm telling you that I'm doing my baby hair on my OnlyFans. So if you want to see how I do my baby hair, go ahead and subscribe to my OnlyFans. I'm gonna do a little sneak peek on here or whatever. You gonna get a small gist. But if you want details, if you want some detailed baby hairs, go ahead and subscribe to my OnlyFans. We're doing the detailed stuff over there. So yeah, I'm gonna do baby hair and come back. Baby hairs are done. If you want to see the full version with no editing, just, you know, straight through, go ahead and subscribe to my OnlyFans. Link will be down below. Now we can move on to styling this hair. All I'm going to do is throw a lot of mousse on it. I'm going to take this Brie Nicole mousse. Shout out to Brie Nicole collection. She sent me her whole entire collection, and that really meant something to me. So, yeah, so here's what the baby hair is looking like. I got a fluffy thing going on. It's not stuck. It's not stuck. So This side's looking a little wonky, but I'm gonna let it dry a little bit before I start combing it out again. Now we're just gonna take a whole lot of mousse. Whole lot. We're gonna keep going, and we're gonna keep going. All right, I think that's enough. Yeah, let's get all moussed up. Here's what it looks like dry though. Like, I mean, this is beautiful. This has no product on it either. This is just the hair. So here's the final look. I just did a little slick back with this headband. This headband is from Set Collection. I talked about it in my previous video. That's Samaya's business. If you want to go support a black-owned, women-owned business, go ahead and check the link in my bio. And she's selling scrunchies and scrunchy headbands and scrunchies, and I love them. So here's one of them. This is the leopard one. We talked about how long this hair is now. I mean, wow. I didn't even want to wet this again because it just dried so beautifully. And again, this is like no product. No product. Here it is. This is how long it goes. I am 5'3" for reference. Here, let me get on my chair a little bit. Hope I don't fall. That's my butt. This fat, juicy ass. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. And make sure you support Samaya. I know I just wore a black shirt in my last video, but this is a different black shirt with a whole new vibe. Got a new baby hairstyle. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Make sure you check out my OnlyFans. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. Make sure you like and comment on this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next video. Bye, beautiful.